Touch ID lets you unlock your iPhone with your fingerprint, but it may stop working or fail to recognize you. If that happens, especially without your passcode, it can be frustrating. In this video, we'll show the causes and 14 quick fixes for Touch ID not working. Part 1. Why is my Touch ID not working? Wet or oily finger, drop or water damage, dirty home button, case or screen blocking sensor, iOS update issue, Touch ID off, settings change, hardware failure. Part 2 to 13 quick solutions to fix iPhone Touch ID failed. Solution 1. Clean and dry your finger and iDevice. Solution 2. Update your device system. Solution 3. Remove your fingerprint and re-add it. Solution 4. Scan your fingerprint properly. Solution 5. Enroll a different finger. Solution 6. Refresh your Touch ID. Solution 7. Enable iTunes and App Store. Solution 8. Check screen protector. Solution 9. Restore your iDevice. Solution 10. Reset your iDevice's network settings. Solution 11. Restart your iPhone or iPad. Solution 12. Reset your iPhone iPad. Solution 13. Contact Apple support. Part 3. How to fix Touch ID on iPhone or iPad with the ultimate solution. Still can't enable Touch ID? Your iPhone or iPad system may be the issue. Try a tool like iOS System Recovery to fix system-related problems and restore normal function. How to fix Touch ID on iPhone with iOS System Recovery. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable and launch the program. Then, click on More Tools, iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Click the Start button to trigger the detection and follow the on-screen directions to get the device into the DFU mode before repairing. Step 3. Choose your phone model and tap on Repair to download the iOS firmware, and then the software will start to repair your iPhone automatically. Now, all you have to do is wait for a while, and the Touch ID error should be fixed soon.